So this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have a watch for you guys. This is Xiaomi. You can see here a smartwatch from Xiaomi, the one respected Chinese brand. Okay, without further ado, let's go to the watch inside. Let's open the pack. Okay, you can see here is the watch, and you have one data cable. Nothing fancy. Let's see which type of cable we have in this. This is you see here is not data cable, it's only charging cable, so I think you don't have any data to pass in this case. Fine, let me go to the watch here. Yeah, you can see the watch. You can buy in Amazon this one. Here we go, it's in back side here. The charging place here will charge the sensor and other stuff. Body is fine, but it's not aluminium or steel. Here you see have Samsung watch or has Apple watch. It doesn't have, it's plastic in this case. So I'm not totally convinced with this. Let's take this off from here. And here is the watch. Let me hit the power button. So it starts very fast, it's vibrating. So it starts with the skin. It's quite touch sensitive, this I would tell you. See, magnificent in this case. It's working very fast. Here you have one hole. So not bad, guys. It's a cheap watch, cheap digital watch. See, very fast. It's quite responsive in this case. So this is unboxing of Xiaomi smartwatch. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.